Okay, te kāhui o, everyone, best of buddy when they fell. So I'm just going to share with you a rautaki from Tanya Papa and Leon Blake, but how to remember what's in the all category, and just need to think about the whike and its 8 legs. There's 8 W's to think about. First one is whakaruru hau, anything that's sort of like a whare or shelter. Wāhanga, anything that's a wāhanga or part of anything. Whanaunga, anyone on the same generation or above, or whakahaere, anyone who has responsibility over other people. Whakaora, anything to bring health and well-being to the body. Whakarake, anything to dole someone or something up. Wāhi or wā, any place, whenua, or anything to do with time. Waka, any sort of vehicle, or whakahua, anything that shows the quality or the feeling, or we'll have a look at some examples. Okay, so wāhanga, got kuaha o matapihi, that's a part of a whare. Anything to do with the tinana, so any part of the body, like your bringa or an ingoa, or any part of the house, so furniture is like part of the house. Whakaruru hau, so a hamarara, an umbrella is a whakaruru hau, a whare, or a tāwharo, any sort of shed. Whanaunga, so this one is so anyone who is on the same generation or above. So tuakana taina, tuahine, tungane or your hoa, or any, the mama, papa, hakui, hakoro, taua, paua, nani, tupuna, whatever. And then there's kaumātua, kuia. Anyone in position of responsibility, so tūmaki, tōku tūmaki, pihopa, so over his congregation or her congregation. Whakaora, so anything to bring health to the body. Wai Māori, so although drink, anything to drink is wai Māori's or any body of water is or. Any rongoa or aua pani kiri and mōwhiti, so anything that's close to your body. Waka, so I've got wakarere rangi, hoiho, arewhana, paparitiriti. So remember, even though hoiho and arewhana karere here, if they use this waka, then they're or. Whakahua, so anything that shows something like a tāhua, mai, piore hume, someone who's a coward. Any feelings, pōuri, but can be any type of skill or ability, puking or pumanua, or anything like a colour is o tikanga. Wāhi or wā, so whenua, maunga, awa, any places like kōhanga or kura, or anything to do with time, tau, marama, raumati, etc. There's some other examples there. Whakarake, anything to dole you up. So I definitely know I look way better with kakuhu on. Mōwhiti or heitaringa, ngā poroporo. And that's about it. So, e tai tauira, wāhanga, he mā ngā matapihi o te whare. Tai, yeah, ana o na heitaringa. Ko te kura kaupapa Māori a te whānau tahi, tō koutou kura, tōna atāhua hoki, I hinga tōna whare I te rū, ko Kirsten tōku teina, he wai Māori mōku, kua hokona tōna paparitiriti.